Welcome guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. And this problem is very important because we will use this problem to solve other problems. So this is called 110, called balanced binary tree. So the problem is that a binary tree which the left and right subtree of every node differ at height and by no more than 1. So these three, the left height is 1, the right tree height is 2, so they differ 1. And the check 9, 9 has no left and right, so it's good. 20 has 1 and 1, so it's also okay. And for this one, for this node 1, the right tree has length 2, and then left tree has length has height 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is larger than 1, so we should return false. Okay, and so this problem can be solved very easily if you can compute the heights of the node, or I should say height of a tree. So let me define a height. If the root is none, then we should return 0. Else, then we return the maximum height of the left tree and the maximum right tree and plus 1. Okay, so you should just remember this function. No, okay, and once you understand this function, then you can solve this balance problem. Okay, so basically, if the root is none, then we return true because there is no root. Then we compute the heights of the left tree and the right tree, Then what is the next step? Then we check the heights of the left tree and the right tree is 1. It's less than 1. So we calculate this. So if this is correct, that means this node has passed the test. Then once it has passed the test, then we still need to check the left hand side. So we just do the recurrence call. So self is balanced on the left tree and the self balanced on the right tree. And if they satisfy all these conditions, then we should return true. Then if this is not correct, or any of one of these is not correct, then we return false. Okay, so this is the video, and I think this code is very understandable once you can define a high function. Okay, so I will see you guys in an other interesting video, and but be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very. Okay, so I forgot to press the submit. Sorry. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next videos.